Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the President and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 3 of our 5-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliAccount Android. In this section, I will talk about setting up customers and vendors for your business entity. If you prefer to read this, you can download a PDF, which I'll post a URL at the end of this video, along with my email. So let's get started. I'm already logged in and sitting at the business home screen, and I'll click on the Customers tab bar option to start. If we already had customers entered, they would be listed in this new screen. Instead, we are going to click the Enter New Customer button at the top of the screen. This brings up the Enter New Customer screen, which is a series of 3 screens. First off, all items in red are required while the items in blue are optional. On this screen, I will create a customer called Acme Products for our example. In addition, if you wanted to, you could enter a resale certificate or website for the business. Now we come to the customer address and contact information, which is optional. The only field required in the new customer entry screen is the customer name field up top. If you are in a hurry, you can create a customer account quickly. In MyIntelliAccount, you may enter multiple addresses and multiple contact information into the system for the customer. So to get started, I will click on the address row. This will bring up a new screen where if you had entered any addresses previously, they would be listed here. This is our first address, so we will click on the Enter New Customer Address button. This presents a third screen where we can enter our new customer address. I will enter address for our customer, but I will pause the video for a moment and fill out the data. Welcome back. Now that you can see I've entered an address, I will scroll down and click Submit at the bottom of the screen. This will take us back to the address list page where we can now see that we have the customer's address listed. If you click the row, you may edit the information and resubmit it. To save the information to the MyIntelliAccount application temporarily, we must click the Save as Customer Address Information button. This temporarily saves the information in the application and forwards us back to the original customer entry screen. Similar to the address entry process, contact information works almost identically, but I will leave it up to you as an exercise to do. Now, if you want to permanently save your customer information, you click Submit, confirm the message, and we have our first customer entered. The vendor entry process is almost identical to the customer entry process, so I'll leave it as a self-exercise for you to accomplish. That covers entering customers into MyIntelliAccount from an Android device. This is the point where we end part 3 and move on to part 4, inviting and adding users to MyIntelliAccount. Thank you for watching part 3 of our series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliAccount Android. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas of how we can improve our software, please feel free to email me at the address that's listed at the end of this video. Enjoy MyIntelliAccount and take care and have a great day.